Good evening to all.
Yeah, hi Ravi. Yes, hello everyone. So I welcome you all. So today we have Ravi with us. Ravi will be sharing his journey of being a student at DataMites and successfully landing a job as data analyst. So Ravi, hi, how are you?
Yeah, good evening to all. I am fine. I'm doing good.
Wonderful, wonderful, Ravi. So yes, please share your journey. Please switch on your camera. We want to see you. Um,
Unable to see my
no, no, not yet, Ravi.
just a minute. But I have switched on the video, but still it is not showing. Just a minute. Now you able to see my video or not yet?
No, no, Ravi. I think there is some issue. No problem. So we are glad to have you here, Ravi. So congratulations on your achievement. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you join through your phone, Ravi, if you can, if it is possible, so that we can see you? Because without video, I feel it's right unfair to take this interview ahead. So please join through your phone if possible. We'll wait for a few minutes.
yeah, just a minute.
Yeah, Ravi.
Recording in progress.
Now you can able to see my video
Yes,
now.
yes, yes. Now we are visible. So yes, we are glad to have you here, Ravi. And first of all, congratulations to you. So you are currently working as data analyst at Saint Gobain, right? Team lead data analyst.
Yeah, okay. So let me give my background. So I'm Ravi, basically a chemical engineer, and I am having 18 plus experience in different chemical industries. And yes, when actually in 2021, I was in Saudi. So I resigned my job and then I came back here. And then when I was looking for a new job, that time I had a gap of 1 year. So I used that opportunity to learn a new thing. So it came to my mind. One of the thing is the data, uh, data science. Okay. So from that one, the data mites I have approached, and then the course I have been joined, and it was a 3 month course. And then after completion, also it take some 6 months to get a job. Okay, still I am not core data analyst or the core data science. Still, I am working in operation. I am leading a line. I am working in Saint Gobain Glass India Limited, and I am taking care of one complete line as a float line manager. Okay, so how it has been helped in day-to-day operation, even in the glass industry. Okay, so the benefit what we get it from the data science is that first how to collect the data and how to filter it. Okay, and then how to clean the data and then how to analyze. And from the analysis, what are the insights from the data and how we can take actions based on the insights from the analysis. So these are the basic steps. Okay, this we follow for each of the process where we have improvement or the betterment of the process stability or to reduce the variability in the process itself. Okay, so by means of using this tool, okay, we have improved a lot with respect to the performance of the line, right from the defect optimization. For example, the glass, the one of the major concern is the defect. So how we can get the better defect level by optimizing my best parameters. So by using these tools, it will give a good parameter set where I need to have the target of the process parameters. Based on that, once we target those parameters, we will get the sustained result of the betterment of the process. Okay. So this is kind of one of the examples for the defect reduction. So that there are so many improvements we are doing through the data analysis, and we have a big team also. I am the part of that team, and I am contributing myself as a part of my roles and responsibility. So
Wonderful.
definitely it is in a future. Sure, everyone, even not only the data scientist, even a common, any persons, they should aware what is the data science and how we can incorporate in day to day our daily uh, life to improve the entire process and also to improve ourselves also.
That's right. Wonderful thing which you had shared. Right. No one were many people were not aware that even data could be used for you could say defect reduction in right glasses and all. So that's a wonderful insight which you have shared, Ravi. So now tell us about your sessions at DataMites. So when did you complete your CDS course over here?
I think it is before 3 years. I think I joined
Yeah.
in 2021 April, I believe, and
Okay.
then after 3 months in June, I have completed the course. So it is in a daily, every day evening, 1 hour class, and then after 2 months, then we had the practical session. So after completing the course completed.
Okay. So you were attending online sessions or offline sessions?
No, no, at that time we had in the corona, okay, so the offline is not feasible, so only the online was available. So I
Okay.
was attending through the online course only.
All right, wonderful, wonderful. So, during your learning period, you definitely must have gone through right different modules, Python. So, were you aware of any programming language before you attended right the DataMites?
No, really it is a new subject. Before that, I was not aware because I'm a chemical engineer. I was core, experience in the chemical engineering field, and the data science and the software is a new for me. And the Python program also, it was new for me when I joined to the course. Okay, and then I started learning. Day by day, and a little bit, put an effort to learn more on the programming also. But still, I'm not using the program as of now, but it is a good experience and good learning at that point of time.
Great, great. So, after that, you covered all the statistical concepts, machine learning concepts, correct? So, how was the experience right, learning those topics, Ravi?
Yeah, definitely this machine learning concept and also the tools, it is very useful for the industrial life. Okay, even I have, after completing this in the last year, the part of the improvement, to improve my skill, so I have joined one of the program in IIT Madras also, for the learning program, the basics, about the machine learning program. So really, the understanding of the machine learning program and also usage of this, it will give an betterment and also the improvement in the process. So definitely there are many tools are there, but we are not using many tools. But there are some tools with related to our process. We are utilizing it in a consistent, every week also we do that analysis, and then whatever the past 1 week data, we take it, we do the analysis, and then from that we do weekly improvement on the process. So by this, the machine learning, definitely it supports us, and even it is a eye opener. What are the things, because in a process, that we have a 3000 parameters are there. So each parameters, if you want to do analysis, it will take a lot of time, and it is not easy to understand also. But by these machine learning languages, if you take, we can club even, millions of data. From those we can get the insights of the what a parameter, the targeting parameter, and how it is relating with the all the process parameters. So that is one is the analysis part, it is simplifying, and it directly give the output of the requirement. So in this context, it is really helpful, to manage the time also and to improve the system also.
Great insight. So, machine learning is a very important concept you are saying nowadays, correct? In
Yeah.
analysis point of view too, correct. And what about SQL? So, are you using currently SQL in your current organization, Ravi?
Yeah, it is now we want to the bring into the day to day, life, so that everybody, not only from the engineering or in the above level, We need to incorporate these things into the basic, the frontliners also. They should start implementing or the accessing these learning programs either by the code or by you make a system from that they can use an application kind of thing. So with this, everybody should learn it. It is my that is a future for everyone.
Yes, correct, correct. Absolutely correct, Ravi. So now coming to once we completed our all the topics, right, led by the mentors, you went to the phase two, that is internship. If you can remember your projects which you did at DataMites. So were they really helpful for you in your current organization or for your interviews, you could say?
Yes, because whatever the project we take it, it is in a to get in a real experience. Whatever the theoretical part we did it, okay. So really, on that point of view, it has helped. How we can practically implement those, whatever the learnings into the day-to-day operations.
Great, great. So coming to your right when you covered all, you completed your internship projects, 5 projects. I think you did capstone and one client project, right? So once you completed that, you went to the phase three, and over there you got right where you went ahead and then you attended your interviews. So you do you remember what kind of questions were asked during your interview phase, Ravi?
Okay. See. Okay, that time it was an Corona period, and there was, the opportunities and also the many things was not in a favor to me. Okay, so I was looking for in the same core field of data science, but still, I didn't get in a core data science field, but I got the same, in a glass field. But once I joined here, that application I was utilizing here to improve and also utilize whatever my learnings. So as of now I'm not a core data scientist or core analyst, but as a part of my routine we are using the tool, and I am using the application and then improving myself also and the entire the process also.
Great, great. So in your interview, nothing like what we had learned in our data mites, nothing was asked. So what kind of questions were there for your role which you are
No, no,
doing?
again I was recruited for the manufacturing company. So it
Okay.
was not a core data science or
Yes,
data analyst.
correct.
So that's why
Correct.
those questions are not, but as in a basic thing about the data science, it was asked what are the learnings you have during the course and what is the capability I have. Those questions it was asked in the as a basic in the interview.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, did you attend any more interviews before, right, giving this interview on for Saint Gobain? Any previous interviews which you did and you found them little, you could say, you said that that was Corona time and opportunities also were very less during that time, right? I do understand a lot of many people that time were everything got shifted from, you could say, our on-site to offline, everything right, online, you could say. So everything was new for online setup or remote setup. So any more interviews you did right before St. Gobain?
Yes, okay. Because I am not in the entry level, so I was in the middle management level. So after 15 years of experience, then I was looking for the higher role. So that time I didn't get much opportunity. That was limited. The opportunities was there, and even the Corona period, nobody was the recruitment also. It was not favor to everyone. So honestly, I had only two interview. One is related to the chemical. Same, it is in a chemical industry. That was not they have not asked related to the data science. It's core related to the operational activity. And another one is the Saint Gobain. So this is what I had in the at the time.
Okay, okay, Ravi. So now moving to right, what skill you feel nowadays our freshers, or you could say our learners should excel at in order to get into this data analysis or data science fields field which they need to master?
Yeah, the one thing is when I come to here, the important thing over the data analyst or data scientist, the analysis part, the programming part is the one thing, and the second thing is how they are integrating with the requirement. Okay, because as a process improvement, my requirement is how I can betterment in the process. So the data scientist also, you should know what is my process, you should understand my process. From the analysis point of view, you should support, whatever the requirement are, in case of me, in case of the client. Okay, so not only the program, they should understand what project they are working it into the detail, so that they can deliver 100% from their application.
Great, great, great insight, Ravi. And I definitely, I feel everyone should, right, take this thing very seriously. Wonderful insight, I must say. So, you said, right, you are into operations. So, any programming language, right, your company uses and Gobain in order to perform any kind of analysis and all, anything like Python and you could say Java, they are using into this data analysis field.
Yeah, the Saint Gobain is a big corporate company. We have a separate research center is there, that is in uh, Gindi. So they have all the software. Even the people are we have many data scientists also there, because the group has a different entity, and we have around 50 to 60 data scientists are there. So they are using many softwares, especially the Python they are using it. And as of now, I am aware they are using the Python, but they are using all the learning softwares they are using it. So, and also they are familiar with, and they are supporting a different the market segment, not only the glass. There are different market segment is there. So individual they are trying their support to the operation or even the logistics point of view in a different, all the functions they are supporting, how the machine learning or with this data analysis we can improve the system and we can simplify the process.
Wonderful, wonderful. So we have some questions here from our attendees. Let's look into those. Um, Harish is asking any interview tips you can give to them.
Interview tips, okay, that even whatever may be the subject or the functions, be confident yourself, and whatever the area you are skillful, you should expertise, you are strong enough to get into the deep of those expertise, so that confidently you can deliver all the questions in the interview.
Correct. That's a you could say very good advice which Ravi has given. Whatever topics are that you should be very much confident in that, and when you are confident, right, definitely that right that is reflected in the interview. Wonderful advice. Okay, next question is coming from Tejaswini. Which projects are important for freshers, which they need to do as data analyst and data scientist?
uh, the project, okay, see, we are also as a company we are getting many interns, from the different from IITs, from NITs, even reputed colleges. So they used to come at the end of third year or fourth year, they try to do a project, 3 months and 6 month project. Okay, so the major thing is that those projects, whenever we get the timeline, we should give 100% commitment to ourselves. Okay, what is their requirement and how we are going to fulfill that requirement with respect to our knowledge and whatever the learnings we have. So that is a very important, even whatever the project we take it, not only in the studies period and even in the future career also.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. So we have one more question from Hari. Hari is saying, what do you feel as challenging currently in your data analyst field? What is the most challenging thing which you feel?
Yeah, as I said, no, the data scientists, they are different. and the customer is different. Like in this case, the operation team is the customer, and the research team is the data scientist. Okay, but whatever our requirement, they should understand. Okay, that is what I said. They should know the process very well, so that whatever they do the analysis, they can bring an insights from this analysis, and then they can help us how we can drive or improve the or benefit from those analysis point of view. So that is very important. Whenever even the data scientist, wherever we do any analysis, we should understand the process, what the requirement for it, and not only with respect to the program and other aspects also.
Wonderful. Great.
Gap is there in some of the project we had, even day to now also we are facing it. The people, some people, they get into the process, they understand the process, and then they support us. Some people, they do analysis, and then they give only the insights from the analysis. If you understand the process, even the analysis method also, you can change. There are different types of learning languages is there. So based on your understanding, different type of analysis method also we can adapt.
Very nice, Ravi. So, team, do we have any more questions for Ravi? Students, please ask questions. Here, Ravi is experienced, you could say, analyst with us, and he's sharing wonderful insights from his journey, which he has seen in different organizations. And yes, so Ravi, where you are working currently in Bangalore, you are there or anywhere else?
In Chennai.
In Chennai, you are. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so please do visit DataMites someday. So we would be very happy to have you over here. If right, we Chennai, right, we have office, or if you happen to visit Bangalore, please come to our office someday.
Definitely.
Wonderful.
Thanks for your
Okay.
and
So
all the best
yeah,
for the team, whoever they are doing the course, and also for their future career.
yeah. So how was your experience with DataMites, Ravi, having training with us?
It was an excellent experience even at the time also. It was more interactive, and also they were supportive, and even whenever we have the question and answer also, they were clarifying in a better way. And in overall, it was an excellent the training session which I was attended.
Great. So we are so glad that you enjoyed your learning time over here at DataMites. So thank you so much, Ravi, for taking out your time and sharing your insightful knowledge with all of us. I hope this will help all of us, right, in our journey ahead. And our learners will be right. They have getting so much. Information from you, so they will also that will also help them in the nearer future, right? So thank you once again, and congratulations for your achievement. It was so wonderful to have you over here. So thank you, and it was nice talking to you, Ravi.
Thank you. Same it is for me also. It was a nice interaction, and also a different experience for me also. Thank you all.
Yeah, bye, Ravi. Bye.